Come around and spend the night.
You know you do it right.
Come around and spend the night. Come around and squeeze me tight. Take your love with you so right. Oh baby, come around and spend the night. I've got loving on my mind, on my inside out. There's no one I get behind.
Okay, Delphine, please, can you tell us how it is going this year, this exhibition, VID exhibition this year? Are you happy with this?
Oh, I'm more than happy. It's going really, really well. We have 221 exhibitors, which is 17% more than last year. We sold 16% of space floor more than last year as well. We've got new exhibitors, mainly in the new technologies, internet, emailing. We have as well everything to do with SMS and MMS. So we're following the same trends as the market. It is to say m-commerce and e-commerce. So all these new technologies are now exhibiting on the show.
How many years are you doing this salon, this exhibition?
So this show belongs to the French Poste, La Poste.
Yes.
The brand belongs to La Poste, and we organize the show for them.
Okay.
So it's the 9th edition this year, and we've been organizing it for La Poste since 2001. So it's the 5th year for us.
So it's an idea of La Poste, no? It's a special exhibition.
Yeah.
La Poste is not from your company, from Lead Exhibitions like MD Expo. It's a different way of doing this, no?
Yeah, it's a different structure, different concept. Yeah.
But it's very similar, no? I noticed, I was in Paris in April, it's a similar, there are sometimes the same or similar companies in Paris than here, no?
We've got some exhibitors in common with MD Expo, but the
mainly different,
is not
yes.
the same. Yes.
What's the different positioning of this?
The main difference is distance selling is a distribution means which is quite specific, and they've got specific needs. So, for example, on VAD we've got people who can deal with logistics, and logistics for distance selling is quite complicated and quite specific. We've got, it's true that, for example, for people who deal with database or lists, we've got similar exhibitors because they can deal with distance selling or distribution or finance industry. But we've got, for example, everything to do with internet and e-commerce is quite strong here on VAD, whereas on MD Expo it's not. MD Expo is not the show for distance selling, whereas VAD is.
I understand. And that's also the reason that you do it here in Lille, because it's the distance is the mainly part of France where
Exactly.
this Is it the
Yeah.
reason, or why in Lille?
Well, I mean, historically, the
Yes.
show was launched in Lille,
In Lille,
so
yes.
we didn't move it,
Okay.
it's staying here. And the reason why it was launched in Lille is because Lille and the Nord-Pas-de-Calais region is the area where most of the distance selling companies are based. For example, Trois Suisses, La Redoute,
Yes.
Kiel, Affibel, they all have headquarters here.
They
in
call it the
area.
mail order valley, no? They
It's
call it
called
like this.
the-
They told me yesterday.
Exactly, it's the mail order valley of Europe.
Okay, of Europe. So all the big companies are here.
Yeah.
How about the international part? This is I think it's a very French salon, or it's also you are moving into international, or how is this going?
Well, 20% of our exhibitors come from abroad.
Yes.
So it's an international show. But it's true, it's not as international as it
Should be or could be, no?
could be or will be.
The big American, the big English mail order companies, the German mail order companies, I think they are not here, no? Quelle, yes, Quelle I see, but Neckermann, or how they name, Lancet,
They come as visitors.
okay, I understand. They
Okay.
come to see, but not to
Yeah.
explore.
The exhibitors here can provide solutions for the companies that want to sell at a distance. So our visitors will be La Redoute, Trois Suisses, or even some banks like Egg or Société Générale or Crédit Lyonnais. I mean, it's the big trend in France at the moment. Insurance and finance. They're
Is mail
to sell at a distance.
is mail order going well now at this moment in France? Because in other countries there are some problems. The people, with the big catalogs, some are closing or are going down. So how is the moment in France for the mail order?
Really well.
It's
I mean,
going
it's going
well.
really well, especially thanks to e-commerce, thanks to internet.
Yes.
A lot of people in France have computers and internet access, and so it's going really, really well. I mean, for example, in the figures we were given are showing that nearly half of the turnover for distance selling is made on internet.
Internet. So internet gives a push to all this this sector.
yeah.
Okay.
So that's why the show is showing that trend as well, because we have more and more companies exhibiting that can provide solutions for internet and e-commerce.
Can we see some changes this year edition? Is there some changes on before's edition? You can tell us, or you can tell.
Yeah. Well, first of all, the show has grown,
Yes.
so
It's a big- yes,
it's getting
change.
bigger. We've got more visitors. For example, yesterday, which was our first day, we had plus 19% visitors on the same day last year. So it's a very good figure for us. So these are two main things that can show the growth of the show. And for example, for the exhibitors, if you have a look at the exhibitors, more and more exhibitors are working on their stand, on the aesthetics of their stand. They're much nicer stands.
Yes, you
than
notice from before editions. They are getting more design and working better.
They're working better on their stands.
It's important. The marketing is very important. That it goes to the eyes, and the people will come.
Exactly.
You're right.
And when a few started, then the others are going to follow as well. So it's a very specific fact.
Nuestra en esta semana del marketing es fundamentalmente porque debido a nuestra alianza estratégica con Deutsche Post y a la presencia de Deutsche Post a través de HL Global Mail en OVA, nos hace pensar en trabajar juntos en muchísimas cosas, de clientes compartidos, tanto de distribución en España como de producción de su marketing en Francia, y con la idea global de HL Global Mail, lo que pretendemos es ver todas las sinergias que podemos comprar. Entonces, Francia es un país con muchísimo mercado de venta a distancia, que tiene intenciones de avanzar hacia los mercados emergentes como España.
Sí.
Y
Ya
eso-
están ahí, ¿no? La Redoute, Venca, ya están algunos en España, ¿no?
Exacto, entonces eso de alguna manera nos anima, puesto que el socio más fuerte que tenemos en Francia es Cova. Cova es un gran manipulador, Cova tiene muy muy buenos servicios de cara a los clientes en cuanto a producción de mailings, de catálogos, y el complemento ideal para España, para esa distribución de catálogos y para esa distribución de esos envíos de marketing directo, podemos ser.
Es verdad que incluso imprimís en Copa, es decir, que catálogos españoles que se imprimen en el sur de Francia, en Burdeos, lo que me han contado antes, ¿no? Muy interesante.
Las instalaciones, las más importantes que yo creo que tienen a los alrededores de París, pues es donde ellos están haciendo producción, que además antes de que Deutsche Post estuviera tanto en Ripoll como en Coba, ya teníamos vínculos porque había clientes que compartíamos ellos en la parte de manipulados y nosotros en la distribución en España.
Sí, dime Manuel, un poquito vuestra razón de estar aquí, qué es lo que estáis haciendo para el mercado francés desde TGV.
Bueno, estamos intentando hacer marketing directo, producción para mailing y promocional y de envío, personalización, inversión y mailing promocional, ¿no? Y hace un año que estamos en España, aquí en Francia, más o menos.
¿Habéis abierto una filial o
sí,
realmente?
Sí, una filial.
¿En qué ciudad, en qué zona estáis de Francia?
En la zona sur, cerca de Nimes.
Ok, que os pilla cerca, estáis de Barcelona, lógicamente.
Barcelona. Y bueno, y nada, aquí luchando a brazo partido.
¿Es un mercado duro, complicado por la competencia que estamos viendo en esta feria?
Porque en general el mercado de la impresión, porque esto se basa, en su base tiene la impresión, tiene una complicación porque es un mercado maduro.
Entiendo.
Y aquí hay una guerra de precios y de competencia igual que en España, pero es un mercado importante y hay que estar aquí.
¿Por qué salís de España? ¿Se os ha quedado ya un poco pequeña España? ¿Queréis expandir el mercado? ¿Cuál es un poco la razón de salir de España?
Es que España tiene un mercado relativamente pequeño y necesitamos otros mercados.
Lógico.
Francia.
Lógico, vecinos, Portugal, Francia, son países. Sí. ¿Y esta feria es la primera vez que entonces que vienes o segunda vez?
Nosotros estuvimos el año pasado.
Vale, y habéis repetido por lo que veo, ¿no?
Sí. El año pasado, este año estamos.
Es una feria, es fácil para hacer contactos y decir que realmente están aquí los potenciales clientes que luego imprimen con empresas como la tuya o es más por imagen que estás aquí porque quieres que te vean.
Sí, en parte también por imagen.
Por imagen, que os vean que estáis aquí compitiendo, ¿no?
En gran parte por imagen para que realmente vean que el proyecto aquí es un tema consistente, que no es un tema de que le visitas un par de veces al cliente y no vuelves más.
Lo que sí es verdad, Manuel, que aquí se ve mucho know-how. Estamos viendo know-how, máquinas, know-how de impresión, el tuyo, el otro, pero es verdad que yo no veo aquí compañeros españoles de empresas de nuestro sector que conocemos todas. ¿Cómo puede ser que un país tan cercano como Francia, 2 horas el vuelo, no estén aquí ahora mismo en esta feria?
Bueno, quizá porque esta feria se conoce poco, ¿no?
Es decir, que no está muy promocionada en España. No saben de ella, entiendo. ¿Tú crees que es la razón principal? Vale. También es verdad que sois la única empresa del sector español que está aquí. También Arvato es al revés, las demás son filiales españolas cuyos originales están aquí.
De una empresa alemana,
pero española 100%.
Nosotros como empresa autóctona española somos la única este año.
Con lo cual es un esfuerzo para vosotros estar aquí. Inversión creo que cuesta más que estar en una feria española.
Medios, en tiempo y es duro despegar y no es fácil entrar en un mercado nuevo.
Esperemos que la cosa vaya bien y se fructifique. Muchas gracias. Cocktail. This exists. Is real. Can I take it? Because this is not the same. Yes. What's this? Colissimo. ¿Cuál es un poco la importancia del correo de la Post de estar aquí en esta feria de venta a distancia?
Bueno, está en el corazón de nuestro
negocio,
de nuestra misión. Pero yo pertenezco a la venta internacional y particularmente estoy en carga de los clientes españoles, de Europa del Sur y España
es un mercado interesante o no, pequeñito, grande, ¿cómo es?
Es un mercado pequeño,
pequeñito todavía,
pero bueno, esperemos que crezca. Sí.
¿Qué tenéis en España? ¿Una alianza con Seur, alguna relación o cuál es la?
Bueno, la alianza con Seur es para el paquete, ¿sí? La alianza está con Colipost, pero Colipost, que es lo del paquete, pero nosotros trabajamos principalmente en el correo internacional.
Ok.
Entonces el correo viene de España hasta Francia y hacia Francia o hacia el extranjero. Y
Claro,
nosotros
pero para clientes españoles que mandan correo desde Francia, ¿no? ¿O cómo se,
no,
cuál es la
no,
idea?
Desde España
Sí.
lo clasifican como lo requeremos, lo mandan en camión hacia nuestro centro de recepción.
Y lo
que está-
distribuyen de aquí.
sí,
Ok.
lo distribuyen.
¿Dónde está el centro? ¿Dónde está?
Cerca de Charles de Gaulle, del aeropuerto
Ah,
de
París. Ok, ok.
Y también podemos ¿cómo decir? Encargarnos del correo para el extranjero.
Ok.
No solo para Francia,
Ya.
pero también para el extranjero.
¿Y España, el marketing directo español, la venta a distancia, realmente son clientes vuestros? O porque creo que hacen poco, ¿no? No,
Sí,
no se
pero
mueven mucho todavía.
no
¿Hay alguien?
mucho, pero tenemos. Y ahora el último cliente que tenemos
Sí.
es un gran cliente de venta a distancia.
Huele, Benca, La Redoute, a ver quién está en España. Benca, ¿no? Benca es grande.
Es más en paquete.
Paquete.
Sí, en paquete, porque podemos también vender el servicio de paquetería.
Pero si es una empresa de venta por catálogo española, ¿tienen clientes fuera?
No es verdaderamente una venta por catálogo, sino que es venta por suscripción.
Ah, ok. Y mandan afuera,
Y mandan,
tienen
sí.
clientes en Francia, ¿no? Y mandan con la post
Con
francesa,
nosotros,
ok.
sí. Y si no, bueno, tenemos correo internacional para...
Y la competencia que tenéis ahora mismo con Deutsche Post, que ha comprado, ¿no?
Sí,
Unipost. ¿Y cómo está esa situación? ¿Cómo estáis ahí compitiendo?
Bueno,
O-
es que la situación no ha cambiado mucho, porque Unipost es para la red nacional española.
Sí.
Nosotros trabajamos para el mercado en los mercados internacionales.
Vale.
Entonces, la competencia, bueno,
Ya,
era la
no
misma
es.
que antes. Sí,
Ya.
claro que Deutsche Post, Swiss Post están en España con nosotros.
Son muy fuertes, ¿no? Y en el mundo también, ¿no?
Sí, sí,
Tenéis,
sí,
es
son
una
fuertes.
competencia entre la Post, Deutsche Post.
Claro, claro.
Ellos han comprado DHL.
Claro.
Ya, ya.
Pero bueno,
Ha estado aquí el presidente, ¿no? He visto antes al presidente ha estado aquí, ¿no? Aunque muy poco tiempo, pero ha estado un poquito. Y que hay mucho interés en esta feria, ¿no? Por parte de...
claro, bueno, no hay muchos visitantes extranjeros.
No, es verdad, españoles.
Hay unos de Bélgica, pero de Europa del Sur no.
Y eso no es malo para usted, que usted le lleva temas internacionales. ¿No le gustaría que hubiese aquí
Sí,
más
claro,
gente de
claro.
España? ¿Y cuál es el problema? ¿Por qué no quieren venir? Lille está a 2 horas de Madrid, yo no tardaba
Claro.
mucho esta mañana
Sí,
en
sí,
venir.
sí. No sé, será, bueno, que no hay demasiada publicidad en España,
Ya.
que no conozcan
Ya, quizás.
esta feria, ¿no?
Ya,
No
ya.
sé.
Tenemos que promocionarla más.
Claro.
Ok, muchas gracias. What means for UNICEF this exhibition? What means for you to be here?
We here to treat French addresses, to make them to normalize and to deduplique the addresses.
Is this a good market for you, for UNICEF, for a German
But,
company?
it's not. We are working for all European countries and for 100 other countries in the world.
Okay, and French, in the ranking, where's the French market? It's more top or in the middle, or where's this market for you?
High middle.
Middle, okay.
High middle.
You come every year to this exhibition, or is
Yeah.
so it's always
Since
for
the
you?
beginning of the exhibition, we are here.
It's one of the most important for...
Now in France,
in
we have
France?
both. One in October in Lille,
Yes.
and the other one in May in Paris.
Yes. Which is more important from both, for you, for UNICEF?
It's equal.
The same.
It's the same.
The same.
I don't see any difference.
You make business here in this fair, or is more to see your clients and to speak with them? What's the object to be here at this moment?
for the prospect, I don't know, it's a very good exhibition, but we must be here to have contact with our client. Our client don't understand why Uniserv is not.
Yeah, I understand. Your clients are not only the Venta Distance, no, it's all the banks, the financial, no, everybody was...
Every sectors.
Yes, yes. Can you tell some names, some big clients in France from Uniserv? Oh, I can see. Ah, okay. Yes, yes. Okay. So it's why Arvato is here, this special fair for Venta Distance. What's the main reason to be here for you?
It is quite important for us to be there because we are one of the main actors in terms of letter shop activity in France. So we are the second or the third one in France. So it's quite important to see people there, meet new clients, and explain what we do in France because Arvato is not only a big letter shop company, it is also quite big company in call centers, in logistics, in data management.
The biggest companies for you, the main market here, the companies Quelle, La Redoute, are they all clients of Arvato? You work for them?
Yes.
What do you do for them? What's the service you give them?
The main service we give them is the poly wrapping, envelope inserting. So we get the documents and we put it in foil or in envelopes, and we manage around 500,000 units per year. And the direct sales companies like La Redoute, like Trois Suisses are big clients for us. It's around between 50 and 60% of our business.
50 or 60%.
Yes.
Is this business going good, going well in France? Because in Germany, you know, Quelle, some problems.
Yes.
There are some companies, big companies with big catalogs. The people don't like more these big catalogs. What's happening in France in this area, in this sector?
We can say that the market is quite flat, even if there are main growth on internet, for example.
Yes.
Sales, but there is also depending on the companies on the years, they succeed in growing in terms of sales. And now this year, I think that big sales companies are more in good health than the years before. So they are
better. Yes, it's going up.
Increasing, they are increasing their sales. And,
but more internet, you say, or more paper catalogs, or where? Both.
They develop catalogs, print, and also new technology channels like internet and things like that.
Television also or not? Television?
For the communication, you mean?
Yeah, they're to sell. TV selling.
Oh, no, for the,
the shops.
Sales, they do not use TV.
In French, not very much.
Not very much, no.
Okay.
So it's important for us to be there to see them, even if we have a lot of meeting with them for the day-to-day operations. But it's also important to see here with another way to discuss and
to marketing MD Expo in Paris and to this MVRD and Lille. What's more important for Arvato? Where's the more business for you, more people to see?
We are present in both places.
Similar clients, similar is the same as.
It's really similar, yes.
Yes.
There are more. Maybe we can find more agencies when it's in Paris.
Yes.
Of course, because a lot of agencies are in Paris.
I understand.
But in terms of providers, it's quite the same.
Why Lille? Why this city in the north of France? Why this little city? What's the importance of Lille for this industry?
Because there is a big skill in terms of marketing direct in the north of France.
Yes, yes.
Due to direct sales marketing, companies like La Redoute or Trois Suisses.
Ah, here,
Yes,
in Lille?
they are just around there,
Around, okay.
20 kilometers from there.
Oh, okay.
So there are a lot of skills in the place for agencies, for creation, for all the data management companies, and of course direct sales companies.
Okay.
And there are a lot of printers in the area,
Yes, in the area.
and a letter shop company. Yes. Because you know the companies like La Redoute or Trois Suisses have their own companies to do the letter shop.
You have relations with the Spanish Arvato in Barcelona or in Madrid?
Yes,
You have some
yes,
relations? You
yes.
do some business with them?
Yes,
Yes? What a kind of...
In Spain, I think that Arvato is more focused on data management
Yes.
and call centers, things like that.
Yes.
I think they do not have letter shop activities.
Why in Spain they don't do it? In here, yes, because the market is...
Yeah, I don't know exactly the reason
Okay.
why, but the strategy of Bertelsmann is to grow on business unit, level, and every business unit is independent in their choice of investment and so on. So for the moment, as far as I know, there's no investment plan for Spain
Yes,
on the letter shop activity.
But
we have links on international clients.
Yes, and you do together the business.
Yes, exactly.
You do something for Spanish clients or not? It's only Arvato Spain? Or you and friends help them?
For the moment,
to develop?
No. What we can do is to work for Spanish mailings, but for French customers.
Okay.
So we can do that for the letter shop part. And of course, we sometimes have meetings with Spanish people for the international clients for coordination and to see how to improve the service on the global way.
Do you think there are some Spanish people, clients coming here to this fair, or it is not very interesting for them? It's too much
not
French,
so much, yeah.
too French for
I
them,
think
no?
it's-
Not
yes.
international enough, or yes? What do you think?
I think that there's not so many people from Spain coming here because I think they generally use the local people
Yes.
to make this.
But you have good technologies. There are new things to see here, no, or not? Or is
That's
this year some special thing here in the fair?
We are really open to
Yes.
see them and to
Yes.
meet them if they want.
Yes, yes.
Of course, it would be nice to see them.
Okay, thank you very much. This is a cake or what's red? Red. Red. Big red. Okay. Thank you. Yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you very much. Very sexy faces. Very sexy faces.
Several address. It's address of catalog La Redoute. All the customer of La Redoute. It's very interesting because we have a big
Database, address database. From La Redoute, you sell to other companies. And this is a good place to sell this this fair?
Yes,
Yes.
it's alright.
Okay.
Es una borda interactiva que permite de presentar todo lo que hacemos en la empresa.
A ver, elaboración. PLV, punto de venta. Sí, a ver. Organización de seminarios. Ok, ya veo.
Aquí
Solutions.
es la presentación los 5 servicios.
Sí.
El primero
Ok.
es el conseil.
Sí.
Es los ¿cómo se dice?
Y son ustedes una empresa fuerte, ¿no? Una empresa grande, ¿no? Que
Yes.
ofrece muchos servicios de marketing.
Mucho, yes.
¿Y por qué tanta gente habla aquí español, como usted? ¿Por qué tanta gente habla aquí en esta feria español? Usted habla español bien, ¿no? ¿O habla? Bueno, pero habla. ¿Por qué? ¿Porque está en España o porque le gusta o estudia?
Y aprendo en los
Estudiando.
estudiando. Y a mí me gusta mucho el país.
Ah, sí, pues tenéis que abrir una filial en España,
Sí.
¿no? Una filial de la empresa.
Oh,
Y
yes.
ahí serías tú la directora.
Push here,
Yes.
there is a chemical reaction,
Yes.
and it will
Explode it?
explode. Yes.
And then it's.
And then it's that.
Oh, yes.
It's
Can I see?
because,
Can I see for the camera?
Yes, of course.
How it works?
It's because our company is sponsor for
Yes.
basketball team.
Ah,
That's
so
why.
it's the idea. I
Yes.
understand. And you sell this? Is the product you sell here, or
No,
what's the?
we don't
what's
sell
only
here.
a job
It's just
to
a gimmick.
A gimmick. Okay.
Yes.
So now it's going, and then
Yes.
it's finished like this.
Yes, exactly.
Incredible.
It will.
It's gas, no gas or something.
Yes,
oh,
you have
very hot.
gas inside.
Yeah. Very hot. Yes, yes. Interesting. Never see this. Is it normally that in France direct marketing companies sponsor sports events or sport company?
In France, yes, but in that case it is in Germany. It's in Bamberg.
In Bamberg. Is
Yes.
it? Also, it's a
This
German.
is where we are based.
Okay.
And so we are supporting the baseball team in Bamberg.
With your company, with GHP.
With GHP,
But
yes.
normally the supporters of sports are big brands like Adidas, like
Yes,
like
that's true.
Audi. Why a direct marketing company sponsored a basketball company for the people in the street? They are not direct marketing specialists.
Yes, but no. But
What's the reason?
GHP or GHP firm
Yes.
is a big
Company.
firm and big printer company
Yeah.
in Bamberg.
Ah, okay.
And so we are in the city.
Yes.
It's we have many production sites in this city, and we thought it was important for us to support this basketball team in the city.
So it's kind to help and to say here we are in the city, we are
in the city, we have to support our basketball team.
Okay, thank you very much.
Mais tu sais qu'il y a la première mise en place. On avait
Encore deuxième minute.
Mais ils n'arrêtaient pas de se
So you're here, the big, it's a popular cuisine?
Oh, yes, it's the only two-star Michelin Northern Paris.
So
we're just transferring from Bethune to a chateau, but it's not quite finished. We should open in a month or two.
But it's a good idea. You bring here some good cuisine and make here a nice show, I think. No, it's the best. Everybody's here at this moment.
Monsieur vient de Madrid.
J'aurais parié.
What means this? What is the meaning of this nice smelling with the strategy of Paradox?
It's our claim.
Yes.
Our claim.
Your claim, yes.
Yes. We say it's difficult to translate it, but in French we say "Nous allons vous mettre au parfum." It's the same as we are going to really explain you what is direct marketing.
Okay.
Okay. But it's a little bit ironic.
Yes, yes, I understand. Yes,
and that's
okay.
a French sentence.
A French way to do it.
Yes.
So this is the meaning of.
But first of all, that's it. Parfum en français.
Yes.
Nous allons vous mettre au parfum.
Yes, very French.
The two possibility to understand it. Nous allons vous mettre au parfum. We are going to explain it to you. Et nous allons vous mettre au parfum. First meaning, if you prefer, that's it.
Okay.
The smell.
You come often to this fair to sell your services, your marketing service each year.
Yeah.
Is this a good fair for you? This one or more, maybe the Expo or others? Or?
No, it's not the best. It's not the best.
It's not the best.
Our
okay.
best is in Paris.
In Paris,
Yeah.
it's bigger for you. This is more
bigger
technical.
and especially for new customer for us.
Yes,
Yeah.
new customers are easier to get in Paris than here.
Yes.
Why? This is more the industry, the technical people, or what kind of people
Here you've got
we find
especially
here?
mail order business here.
Okay, I
and not
understand.
for France.
Yes.
But in Paris we've got a lot of different problematics, especially for customer relationship. Here, only mail order business. Paris.
Yes. So for you, Paris is more. But this is also important because you're here, no? It's
yes.
also for you.
You know, we are. Our address is here in North of France in Roubaix. So
your address. You are staying here.
We are in Roubaix and we are too in Paris. And so it's very important for our account to find us here.
Okay.
To drink.
Also,
to have a drink and to speak.
Yes, to make relationships. Yes.
Because especially the rest of the year we haven't so many time to speak with them.
Yes, I understand. More business, and now it's a place.
It's more relational.
Relationship marketing.
Yes.
Yeah, relationship also, no?
Choice the Letterbox Village. It's an association for Saint-Martin-d'Abba. It's a village in France.
Yes.
Each people make a letterbox.
Different letterbox. Yes.
This one.
It's a typical tradition of what? Tradition.
In only one village in France.
In this village, everybody has a different letter.
It's the same village in the Loiret, in France.
Okay.
The Loiret. And we take this
here to
letterbox
this fair.
to make a decoration, and because we are Liz Broker.
Liz Broker, okay,
yes,
it's a relation
it's
between.
A relation with the letterbox.
Understand. So it's a village where all the people make different
yes.
letterboxes in the house.
Like that. Just like that.
Yes, it's very nice.
You have the site web. This is the site web of letterboxvillage.com. This is the village of
Saint-Martin-d'Abba. Okay, so please tell me, you changed recently your logo of Metaprison. What's the meaning of this new, very fashioned and very young logo? No, it's a very no. What's the meaning, or what do you want to with this logo?
Déjà par rapport au métier, vous voulez faire quelque chose de décalé. Yes. From the market and the job of Metaprison, we wanted something that looked different.
Yes.
That looked dynamic.
Yes, it's very dynamic. Yes.
Yeah, a bit colored, dynamic, a bit hard of the conventional.
Not to be so serious, no? Not to be like others. You want to make a new image and more.
Exactly.
Yes, it's funny. It's very funny because it's joking and making.
What is written also in the documents is like we are always on the move.
Understand? Yes.
They're always thinking, always funny. Always having ideas around.
Was a big work to change everything? No, a big work to change all the logo, everything, all the cards.
Yes, because we change all communication. So brochure, website, logo.
Yes.
It's not only a little change. It's the whole thing. The colors.
But something changed more in the company? Only the logo, or something changes also in the company, on the way you do the things, or something changes?
it's for prove our dynamism. We always try to, nothing will change. I mean, yes, it's always, but we want to always be with the in the move in a way. We always want to be proof that we can change also through
this
logos, yes, and this person, these pictures represents our team, yes, person of team, dynamic and always thinking, always trying to find solutions.
To move the market, okay, because this market is very fast, moving, changing, so you have to do the same. Understand? And what this means to be here for you? Is it an important fair? This fair to be here to make clients, to make business, only to be seen, or what's the main reason to be here in Lille?
Yes, it's a really important time in the year because, especially in France, because there are two main exhibitions for direct marketing in France. So this one and one in Paris, and it's to be seen. It's to meet clients that sometimes we don't meet in directly in the meeting. It's to make new contact with prospect. It's important for our image.
Bonjour. ¿Por qué está aquí Swiss Post? ¿Qué hace Swiss Post en este salón de venta a distancia en Francia?
Sí, porque los clientes de venta a distancia son los clientes más grandes de la organización postal. Como nosotros somos aquí en Francia, buscamos de clientes que mandan los envíos de Francia a otros países.
No Suiza, no tiene que ser Suiza, ¿no?
No tiene que
cualquier
ser
país.
todo el mundo. Tenemos cooperaciones con otras organizaciones postales. Tenemos una nueva con Correos.
¿Con Correos España tienen algún tipo de también colaboración? Muy interesante. Y el mercado español es interesante, pues es pequeño, ¿no? Es muy pequeño para ustedes,
pequeño.
¿no?
El más grande es Alemania, como
lógico.
Siempre. Y hay mucho también para Suiza. Pero aquí en Francia tenemos mucho de envíos postal de todos los días. Es más business mail que direct marketing.
Entiendo.
Entonces hay muchas compañías pequeñas
que hacen todos los días un poquito. Y no son grandes compañías que hacen un mailing, sino compañías que hacen un envío normal, sus envíos normales.
Exacto.
¿Y cómo se sienten aquí? Porque esto es un dominio del Groupe La Poste, ¿no? Es francés. Toda esta feria está organizada por ellos. ¿No se sienten ustedes aquí raros con la competencia tan encima o son colaboradores buenos o como?
Estamos acostumbrados, ¿no? En Alemania hay Deutsche Post, en Inglaterra hay Royal Mail.
Pero no están aquí Royal Mail y Deutsche Post no están aquí en esta feria.
Deutsche Post está.
Ah, bueno, DHL, sí, a través de DHL, ok. Indirectamente, sí. Indirectamente.
No, pero nosotros estamos acostumbrados. A nosotros nos gustan los envíos internacionales. Si uno habla con La Post, hablan siempre del nacional. Si uno va en Alemania, en la misma fiera que va a seguir a esta, al fin de este mes en Alemania, todo Deutsche Post, pero siempre doméstico, siempre por el mercado.
Y Swiss Post es complicado para Swiss Post entre los gigantes Deutsche Post, La Post, un país pequeño como Suiza. ¿Es difícil ahí buscar un hueco o no?
Sí, pero una vez que el hueco, uno encuentra el hueco,
ya lo coge,
Si lo coge, puede sobrevivir. Estamos muy pequeños, ¿no? En Francia aquí son 12 personas que trabajan por Swiss Post, que es pequeño, pero sobreviven y trabajan muy bien. Y cada año...
¿Llevan muchos años viniendo a esta feria o es la primera vez o vienen muchos años?
No, es la primera vez con un stand. el año pasado estuvimos aquí, pero sin usted.
¿Es muy caro? ¿Es caro venir aquí? ¿Es caro alquilar los metros cuadrados, etcétera?
No sé.
No sabe.
Pero, no sé.
Bueno, ojalá que sea rentable. Ya. Ok, pues muchas gracias.
Sí. Action, que se llama Action Day.
Action Day, ok.
Y se tenía en junio cada año y tenemos después un show que es la Vía de Lille. Solamente tenemos dos eventos durante el año.
Dos eventos.
Y en la Vía de Lille estamos aquí porque tenemos muchos clientes de...
¿Venta a distancia?
Sí.
Ok, mail order, venta a distancia. Vale.
Y trabajamos mucho con la Redoute de Trois Suisses y estos edificios están en esta región.
Sí, ya me han dicho, es todo aquí.
Eso para nosotros estar aquí es importante
para verles,
por
¿no?
la imagen.
Sí, para estar con ellos. Y es una feria que está bien, es decir, ¿os gusta? ¿Es una feria que creéis que está creciendo, va para arriba o está estancada o cómo la veis esta feria cada año?
Estamos aquí en este show hace 6 años que participamos a este show y cada año se va...
Es más pequeña, entiendo, ya. ¿Y Action España? ¿Viene aquí gente de Action España o cómo tú llevas la relación? ¿Tú tienes alguna idea de cómo va la cosa con España o no es tu...?
En España únicamente la comunicación de España se hace solamente a través de los periódicos. No tenéis show exhibition como...
No tenemos mail ahora porque no hay un sector mail ahora venta a distancia tan fuerte, es verdad. Pero bueno, Action España creo que está creciendo, ¿no? Es una empresa que está consolidándose, ¿no? Antes era Consolata, Claritas, ahora es Action y estáis ahí fuerte, ¿no? Estáis en las ferias. Okay.
Tenemos 2 edificios en España, uno en Madrid y el otro en Barcelona.
Sí, conozco el de Madrid, de Las Matas.
Las Matas.
¿Y por qué una persona en Francia habla también, por qué tanta gente en Francia habla también español?
Sí.
Porque en todos los stands siempre me encuentro a alguien, como periodista ahora mismo español, siempre alguien habla español. ¿Eso por qué? ¿Pues has estado en España? ¿Tienes un novio español? ¿O cuál es la razón? Sí, porque no entiendo, todo el mundo habla español. ¿O has estudiado hace...? ¿O por qué hablas español también?
Porque tengo una parte de mi familia que vive en Argentina.
Argentina, ok. Tienes ahí familiares y ahí viene tu idioma. Pero no tienes acento argentino.
No.
Ok. Thank you very much. Yes, Eto. So this is the second time we meet. I meet Eto in Paris and the Expo. Now I meet Eto again in BID. What's the difference for Eto to be in one or in another show? Is there?
Paris or
Yes.
here?
Yes. Yes.
It's becoming a larger show here.
This, yes, it's
Is that Paris is also very interesting for us. That we live and we are from this city, and it's the center of all the direct marketing and direct sales in France.
The clients, the customers are the same in Paris and here, because this is more venta distance, no? In Paris is more direct marketing traditional, or for you the difference between the people who comes to see you?
I would say that we have to be here because if we are not, we don't exist.
I understand. Okay.
It's interesting for us to see our partners, all the people we know in this place.
Yes, in this area.
And people are here for a few days, but the customers are nearly the same here and in Paris.
Okay.
Perhaps it's a bit more electronic, like email and web systems and call centers in Paris, more than here, because it's linked with the call center exhibition in Paris, the Expo. But here, it's nearly the same.
How is now the moment for this French direct marketing? Is crisis, not crisis? How is the moment in this time for the market?
It's pretty good. It's changing because of some laws are changing for all the direct things you have in your mailbox. It's non-addressed. There's new taxes in France, so the market is expanding more of electronic to electronic.
Yes. Why you say there are problems for the companies to send mails, traditional mails?
In France, you will have a special tax when you make paper direct in the mailbox.
Yes, you have
with
to pay.
No address. You have to pay.
To government or to post?
Sorry?
For the government, the tax for the government you have to pay?
Yes, for the government.
Ah, yes.
It's for recycling the paper.
Ah, because of the... Yeah.
So
it's
the clients
expensive.
are moving more to direct addressed mail and email.
Email, okay.
And electronic.
Okay, not to make the normal unaddressed... okay, I understand.
Is taxed now.
So it's good for the business, you say?
So for us, it's
for
good
you.
because we don't do any unaddressed, but we do more direct marketing, and the French Post is also changing the rules, and new operators are coming on the market to distribute the mail, like Adrexo. Adrexo is doing that.
Yes.
And so it's changed the price of global marketing. So we have quite a lot of work.
Okay. What's the mainly service you offer? Eto, what's the mainly service in French you are now at this moment offering?
We have all the strategic. The center is the strategic consulting. We have all the studio and art design and the databases and all the printing, the laser printing and the fulfillment also. Because we have also another company which is named MDO, which is near to here.
It's behind, yes.
Which is specialized in fulfillment.
Okay.
So we expand the market to more industrial company, and we offer all the chain supply services from the art conception to the delivery of
all the
just before the
chain.
delivery.
Yes.
So all the chain.
And how is the Spanish market? You told me you are also for Spain. You are the boss in Spain, or you are the manager for Spain. How is it going in Spain?
In Spain,
at this moment,
we have a great, let's say, advance in France on all the electronic marketing. It means we have a special product called X27, X27, and this product is a product for managing databases and loyalty clubs, and we sell this product to Spain because it's quite newer on Spain, and we have great customers in Spain on all the electronic part. So in Spain it's more data business, and here it's more paper business.
So it's big difference, you say, between the Spanish market and this market, French market, not for you, for Eto. No, it's different.
Yes, it's different because because here we are 150 people, and in Spain, we are. It's a smaller agency, but we, as all the computing things and the data center is in France, we can sell our application because it's web application to other countries, especially in Spain, and we have loyalty programs for Wanadu, for example, in Spain. We have loyalty cards, and we have launched the first paying loyalty card in Spain for Boulanger, and it works.
Boulanger, yes.
And
I see your clients are French companies, no?
Yes.
Boulanger,
Wanadu, Canin.
So you work very close to French companies because they know you from here, no?
Yes, and it's easier, and they are more open-minded on direct marketing because the market is more mature in France. So we export to Spain the technologies from France to Spain in a special niche, which is a technical niche. So we have, I could say, more brand new products for Spain, and our customers are more aware of what we are doing.
What about the Spanish customers or the Spanish marketing directors? They are not like this. They are not so much open-minded. You notice that they are different in their.
Say that.
Or what do you think?
The thing is, it's easier for us to get in contact with Spanish filial
of a French company.
Yes, French companies.
Okay.
It's easier for us. And we reproduce the techniques we use here for these companies in Spain. So it's easier for developing the market for us. I wouldn't say that Spanish market is less open-minded. It's just that they want to have proof of what we can do. So now, as we have 5 big brands in Spain, but they are French, but it gives more confidence to Spanish companies to work with us and to be aware that we can do this for them. So it's a time of taking the market.
And what's about Portugal? Portugal, you think is the next market you will go into or not?
We work for Portugal from Spain, for one of our customers, which is 5 à Sec, which is laundry services. And but for the moment we focus on Spain for this kind of application. And Pierre-Marie, which is the director of Spain, would be tell you more about the market,
I will ask
market.
him.
I'm more in the Spanish market and linking from Spain to France.
Thank you very much. You're the president of the MOVE, the Mail Order Valley of Europe. So can you explain what means Mail Order Valley of Europe, this region?
The Mail Valley of Europe is a concentration of all big companies in distance selling from the north of France, as you know, La Redoute, Trois Suisses and so on, and also with the regional council, also the Groupe La Poste, and also the business school ESCD for the development of distance selling activities in the north.
And why they are all concentrating in this value, in this area? Why? What's the reason, historical reason? Why?
The historical reason is simple. It's because we have the first companies in distance selling born in this area. La Redoute, Les Trois Suisses and so on. And it's also because we have around 28,000 people in distance selling in the area. And we have also around 12,000 people working in marketing agencies, in logistics and supply chains management, in emailing, marketing, and also Groupe La Poste, who are working for the activities of distance selling.
Okay, I understand.
And we have the third or the second company in the world PPR is the first or the second company?
Must be the second.
Second, yes. And we have the second company in the world with La Redoute.
La Redoute.
Here in the area. And we have also organizing a plan for the development of activities of distance selling in the region with regional council and with also with the companies.
So the governments of this area, they help you, they are, okay.
And we have had the possibility by the government to develop a pôle de compétitivité. Do you know what is it?
No.
In France, in last July, the government asked at different regions, in all the regions in France, to present a lot of projects about the development of research and development of activities, generate activity are industrial, and we are allowed to have presented a project in distance selling and also in distribution. And this project has been recognized by the government, and the name of this project is Pôle de développement industrie du commerce.
Okay.
And we are very oriented towards the success of this pôle, but we are at the beginning.
So the French government helps you to with money. They give some subvention.
Not only first the French government has recognized that it was very important activity
in this area, in this north area,
and also that this activity could be developed, and that it was very good for the France.
Yes.
That this activity would
yes.
And we expect money, not too much.
Okay, some money to help. It's always good, always all right.
But are spending money, but also perhaps what is more important thing is that the development of research between big companies in distance selling and the university or also the business school.
Okay, I understand. But there's a problem for the Venta Distance because the German companies are coming or Otto. Otto is, I think they buy Suisse, they buy, so the German companies are introducing very strong in this or have been introduced.
Yes, also
so it's not France, it's not all France, not German.
Also we have Quelle, we have Otto.
Otto. So what about this?
There is not a problem because our French company are also in UK,
in Spain,
in Sweden, in Spain, Portugal, in the United States with Friday.
You don't think it's a danger that someday everything will be German?
No,
example,
no
problem with this.
It's a problem of European competition.
Yes. Okay.
We like competition.
Okay. That's right. Okay. And Marc Olivier, you are
I'm Director General.
Yes, from the FEBA. You are the organization. This is the Salon de la Venta Distance. But why the Salon is supported by the French Post? Is le Groupe Le Poste is the main organizer and not your company?
This is a question for the chairman of
okay, sorry. Okay, yes. Why is the Le Poste and not your federation, the organization?
I am the chairman of the exhibition, but the owner of this exhibition is the Groupe La Poste.
Yes. Why not you?
9 years ago, the Groupe La Poste has developed a small internal exhibition in direct marketing with for their customers. 9 years ago. And it was perhaps in 1997, and in 1998 they have asked to Business School ESC Lille and also to myself to help us to developing their exhibition. And at the moment we have said to La Poste that it was necessary to have in the group for the development also La FEBA, because
company.
they are the representative of all the distance selling companies, and this is why my friend Marc is here. This is why he is predecessor, Bernard Soufi, was very oriented towards the development.
And Reed Exhibition is a professional exhibition group for this kind of events.
In 4 years.
4 years they get it.
Yes.
Why you choose Reed Exhibition and why La Poste don't make it anymore and they give the work to Reed Exhibition? Why?
During these 9 years, because we intend to feast the 10 years next year. And you are welcome for the feast of 10 years, 10 years of the exhibition. We have the Group La Poste has asked a lot of companies to read exhibition to help to organize as organizers of the exhibition. But sometimes it was difficult. Sometimes there were no rather so good. And 5 years ago, the Post has launched a call for tender for the organization and raised Reed's exhibition as one.
But this is a good business. It's a good business.
Yes.
A lot of 200 exposing. Who goes the money? The money is for Reed Exhibition, for La Poste, for the federation. Where's the business? Who's making the business here?
What is the business?
Who makes the money?
With the money.
Where?
We have two kinds of money. We have the money coming from the exhibitors and coming from companies.
Yes.
And we have also money coming from the regional council.
Yes.
Coming from Lille Métropole, the city of Lille.
They give money to make this.
Money.
Okay.
And this money is given for all the conferences, for organizing from them the program of conferences, international program, FEVAD 1 program, and so on. And this is why it's possible to have conference free.
Okay, free. So with the money from the government of this area, you can invest for these conferences.
Yes, the investment for three kinds of activities. First one is for the quality of the number of quality of conference. Second one is the development of internationalization of our exhibition. And third one is for the development of the possibility for SMEs to be present in the exhibition, and also to have a special organization for them. And we are working with the Chamber of Commerce, and we are also working with the Groupe La Poste to prepare companies before the exhibition, to helping companies during the exhibition, and also to developing projects after the exhibition for small.
But this wins money. It's not not losing money. It's winning money. This congress. So the money is for somebody gets the money.
And a lot of money is for the benefits of Reed.
For Reed Exhibition, there's the biggest, because they make the work and they get the same model, and MD Expo is the same model, or it's different model?
Just one, just the one. It's a model alone.
Only here.
Just for this.
So in Paris, the Paris government don't give money for the Paris MD Expo. It's a different model of event. Just for this one.
Very specific.
Okay.
And also it's because we have a plan for the development of distance selling, and also because we have a pole of competitivity.
Yes. It's integrated in a big thing. I understand. And Mark, tell me something about you are
first. We are partners of this fair, which is a very important moment for distance sellers.
Yes.
This is one of the major fairs in the world.
Yes.
And a lot of our members are coming to this fair, and we are very proud to participate into the conference program with Jean-Pierre de Bourse and all the other partners in order to make this event a real unique event for all the professionals.
Okay. But I want to ask you some dates, some facts about the markets, the market of the distance selling mail order market in France. How is it going now? Because
it's going extremely well. This is a very dynamic sector, one of the most dynamic sectors.
Not crisis like in Germany. They have some crisis. Example is your neighbor, Germany, Quelle, Otto, Neckermann. They have the big catalogs are going in crisis, not the big one. In France, it's not some tendency.
As a federation, we represent all the players. Distance selling has considerably evolved over over the last years. It used to be only catalog.
To specialize, no? The
telephone and
yes.
catalog. Nowadays, we also have all internet players.
Internet, yes.
Companies like eBay, Amazon are
Yes.
part of Fevad.
Yes, are part of you.
Oh yes, of course.
Okay.
And we've got a lot of few players. Last minute also, we have products and services. So it's a very successful and very dynamic
Market, no?
market.
Can you tell us some facts about
Yeah,
how
sure.
much euros, millions of euros you move
Right.
in the year?
In 2004, the revenue for the whole distance selling B2C was 12 billion.
12 billion.
We've got 55% of households who ordered through distance selling over last year. So it's a major growth.
Yes.
Compared to 4 years ago, was half of population ordering to distance. Nowadays, it's 75%.
Okay, so it's
and the success that we have now is widely conditioned by internet. Internet is a growth engine, a very powerful engine for growth. The growth we have now is one of the best market in Europe. Just after, before Spain, the second one.
Yes, the second
Not in
one.
terms of market size,
Yes.
but in terms of growth right now.
Okay.
The French market, it's the last figures we issued yesterday with Sofras, a study that we made. The revenue, we expect about 10 billion euros revenue on e-commerce for 2005, and we've got 12 billion French people ordering.
So the French people don't have problems with the visa, to buy with visa and internet, or because in Spain there are the people sometimes are dangerously, because of electronic commerce, or it's not very popular. They read in the television, they read in the newspapers about abuse. It's in French not a big problem.
Well, actually confidence has been one of the major obstacles to internet development. But nowadays the figures that we have, people feel more safe and they are more confident. And I think that Fevad and together with this fair also contributes to give the image of a safe way of making shopping.
Okay. All right. Yes.
When people see on a catalogue the Fevad Moto, people knows that it's safe.
Yes, people in the street know this Fevad. It's very popular. This logo in the street outside.
It's a logo for safe.
Okay.
I'm a very modest person, but if Chairman de Bourse says
it's possible for me to say that because it's the truth.
Yes, okay. I think it's a good
all
idea.
our members are committed not only to respect legislation and regulation, but also our code of conduct, which is a code of conduct that we review on a regular basis, and which gives a high level of protection to consumers.
Okay.
May I say that the Fevad is a very good gendarme of the profession.
This is good, yes, you have to. So if there's somebody bad, Guardia Civil de la Profesión, no, the bad people outside and the good people, professional, you have
It's
to
very
help.
important because in our business confidence, trust is of essence. If you don't trust the company, you don't buy.
In Spain we have a problem. In Spain we have a problem. There are a lot of mail order companies, or in the past, or some they are bad. They don't give good products to the customer. So the image in Spain of mail order is not good because some companies make shit work.
Well, back to your point.
Here not.
I think that the French history of distance selling is very important. We have some very big companies in Lille, north of France.
Very serious companies.
We had historical players who have very good image in the public. So people trust Trust Suisse. So they help us a lot in terms of credibility. And it's a sector which is known to be very serious. We have very strong companies in the north. So it also helps us to get confidence from people.
Yes, I think it's very important. It's very important because the image of an activity is the image of the worst.
Yes.
Not of the best.
Yes. And what's about the call centers? There are always in Europe problems with the call centers. The people call, they don't get good answer. They have to wait. The music always. What's about in France about this kind of quality? It's a big problem in Europe, in Spain, in Germany, always. How is in France this problem?
In France, the
with call
problem
center,
is
telephone?
maybe not so important as it was in the US, in the UK, because French legislation gives maybe more protection
to the customer, to the people.
Particularly,
privacy.
First on privacy, and secondly, on outbound calls, you have to be careful. There are some specific rules. When you call someone,
you cannot call.
You can call, but you then have to have a written confirmation. So it's not like in the US or UK where you can just have a contract and sign it. But it's something that we need to be extremely careful, and we have some discussions with the government.
Hotlines.
Yes,
the quality, they give good services. In Spain, they don't pay them very good. They most are in Morocco or in South America or in Ireland, and they have not the best quality. And the
problem with call centers was not specifically targeted to distance selling companies, if I am well informed. I think that's those companies who were sometimes criticized were not.
They are not. They don't use this kind of call centers.
They're not distance selling. I think distance selling.
Right.
It's a very. I mean, we know that a customer, if you don't treat well your customer, you will lose your customer. So the problems that we've had were not in our sector.
And also, presently, the internet consumers are doing the job of call centers, or an important part of the job of a call center by themselves.
Yes, they call them. And, okay, Mark, and you Olivier, you hablas español también, ¿no? Un poquito, ¿no? ¿Por qué?
Porque tengo familia en España.
Tienen familia española.
Y también tenemos relaciones muy positivas con la FECEM.
Ah, sí, con la FECEM. ¿Tenéis?
Porque la FEBAC es parte también de la organización europea.
¿Por qué no invitáis a la FECEM para que aprendan cómo se hace una feria buena? Para que aprendan un poco, porque en España la feria no es como esta.
Estoy seguro que no es como esta.
No es como esta, no es
pero
igual.
Tiene que ser también muy...
Bueno, eso lo hice para quedar bien, políticamente correcto, pero tienes que invitar un día a la FECEM a que vengan aquí a aprender. Sería mi consejo.
Vale, pues el presidente de Bourse vamos a ver.
Ok, le ponéis un hotel, le ponéis un avión y que vengan a conocer.
Con los 10 años quizás.
Ahí, para celebrar. I wanted my...
croissance quelque chose à ce moment, peut-être la plus haute de l'Europe. Un autre donné qui est très important, c'est le numéro de foyers qu'il y a en Espagne. Ce sont 14 millions. Et pour ne pas parler de tous les données, je veux dire que le plus important peut-être, c'est que nous savons la plupart de la population est dans une âge et avec une spécialisation, une flexibilité très grande. Et parler, je veux dire, peut-être par écouter.
Sí. No, eso es la antigua, ¿eh?
Sí, sí. Okay. Bueno, pues cuéntanos un poquito lo que estáis haciendo o vais a hacer para el mercado español.
Okay. ¿Quieres que hablamos español?
Sí, en español, sí.
Pero no si es muy bueno,
no, es okay.
Te vas a acordarlo, ¿eh?
Vale.
¿Vale?
Okay.
¿Empiezas las preguntas?
Sí, cuéntame un poquito qué es lo que hacéis, qué es lo que hace G2U.
Tenemos GMC, es un editor de software que se llama Pritnet.
Vale.
Este software es dedicado para el marketing directo y para también aplicaciones de gestión.
Vale.
Es decir, facturas, es decir, para también los bancos y las compañías de seguro.
Vale.
Este software tiene una implicación muy fuerte sobre el marketing directo con las aplicaciones clásicas y después con las aplicaciones de color. Porque tenemos un desarrollo muy fuerte con algunas empresas que se llaman Varicolor, con unas máquinas que tienen el nombre de Dotrix. Dotrix es una máquina que hace color con procesos no clásicos, es decir, que los procesos clásicos son toner y después inkjet.
Vale.
Y este tercero es con las tintas clásicas de impresión, de la impresión técnica, con una secada V. Y con esto, estas máquinas tienen un mercado potencial muy fuerte y también un precio muy fuerte, porque es una máquina es aproximadamente 1,5 millones de euros o más, o más según la configuración que tiene. Tenemos también con este producto otros partenarios que se llaman Saicon, que se llaman HP aquí Indigo, que se llaman Xerox porque tenemos un acuerdo muy reciente.
Un acuerdo,
sí, un contrato,
sí,
de distribución con Xerox. Es decir, que tenemos, es explicado aquí
en tu folleto. Lo que veo es que hacéis impresión, se puede decir, es impresión para marketing directo, es decir, mail, todo esto que estás hablando son impresión, ¿no?
Todo es impresión papel. Y tenemos también otras posibilidades, es decir, que todo lo que es de materialización. Porque los clientes que trabajan con compañías de prestación,
de servicios,
compañías de servicios, vamos a encontrar la posibilidad de hacer una
¿cómo se dice? Un partnership, fusión, ¿cómo se dice? Trabaja conjunto. Un
acuerdo muy fuerte entre los clientes y las empresas de servicio. Y con esta manera, por ejemplo, el cliente puede ver la maqueta desarrollada con los datos variables directamente en la pantalla, después hacer una prueba en local sobre su papel y después o anotar o hacer los cambios directamente sobre de la maqueta, enviarlo a la empresa de servicios y después imprimir, hacer la validación última y imprimir con esto. Es decir, que tenemos la posibilidad de hacer papel y también de hacer dematerialización como esto o para los servicios de archivo.
Y eso lo hace vuestro software, ¿no? Todo esto lo hacéis con el software.
Todo esto es el software que lo hace. Es un software muy largo que tiene muchas posibilidades y que se puede hacer muchas cosas sobre de la impresión de los cambios dematerializados y después del archivo.
¿Y por qué quieres llevar ese software a España? ¿Por qué queréis empezar a venderlo en España? ¿No hay otro producto ahí en España parecido? ¿O no hay o hay un mercado interesante? ¿Por qué quieres ir a España con eso?
Sí, porque el mercado español es un mercado muy fuerte y que es en completo desarrollo.
El mercado de marketing directo,
el mercado de marketing directo y otros mercados. Por ejemplo, los bancos y las compañías de seguros tienen la posibilidad de hacer impresión clásica, impresión de color, archivo, todo esto, y después cambios muy ligeros con los clientes, por ejemplo, las compañías de seguro, y imprimir en local un pequeñito contrato de 3, 4 o 5 páginas.